Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the step-by-step process of building your dream home here in India. So we'll cover everything right from land acquisition, design and construction to the final product. So let's begin with the land acquisition part. This is the first step wherein you will acquire the land for your dream home. So you can either buy a plot or you must have an inherited land. So ensure that the land is free of any legal issues and has all the required approvals and clearances from the government. Now, once you have your land, it's time to design your dream home. So you can hire an architect and a structural designer along with services consultant who will provide you with a detailed plan and based on your requirements and preferences. Be sure to communicate your needs clearly and check the plans thoroughly before finalizing. Now, next step is to choose the right contractor to execute your plan. Research thoroughly, check their portfolio and references, and ensure they have all the necessary certifications and licenses. It is important to onboard a contractor who has a professional work ethic and understand your design and preference. Now, once you have the contractor, the next step is to get a cost estimation for your project. It is recommended to get at least 3 quotes from different contractors to ensure a fair price. Now also choose the best quality material that fit your budget. Make sure to select high quality material for the building structure and consider the life cycle cost. Now it's time to start the construction process. Ensure that the construction work is being carried out as per the approved plan and designs. Check for quality and timeline as agreed with the contractor. Now, the roofing system plays a vital role in protecting your home from external factors. The most common roofing options in India are RCC slabs, traditional sloping roofs, and flat roofs. Depending on the location and budget, choose the best option which suits your need. After the construction work for the core and shell is completed, it's time to focus on interior and exterior finishes. Select the best finishes that complement your overall design theme. The most common finishes in India include tile, paint, woodwork, and aluminium windows. Along with that, you also need to take care of the services part, which includes electrical and plumbing installation. Now, once the construction and finishes are completed, it's time for the final inspection and handover. Ensure that the building adheres to all the necessary safety standards and regulations. Take possession of your dream home and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. So there you have it, the step-by-step process of building your dream home in India. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.